Hi, I'm Rohan.
Hi, I'm Yash.
Hi, I'm Srinidhi.
And we are the TriBots!
An element of innovation.
From Stonehill,
Middle School.
Ashburn,
Virginia! Go TriBots!
This is our prototype design wall.
This shows our quest throughout eCYBERMISSION, showing our progress as time marched on.
We have drawn blueprints of our design and then improvised each time using our own comments.
This is our first prototype. As you can see, it has a cylindrical design, and we found that after discussing with our teammates that the phone may not fit inside the design and that the whole design itself was faulty.
This is our second prototype design. We realized that we needed to add another component because it was too vague.
This here is our third prototype design. It was basically the same one as the second, except we added a breathalyzer to the top over here. The breathalyzer basically analyzes the driver's breath and detects alcoholic substances. We realized that this design was too fat and the phone was not secure.
This is our fourth prototype design. In this all-in-one system, we decided that we needed to make the next blueprint to scale, and the enclosure at the top does not allow the phone to go in because of its skinniness. So as we improved on the fat one, we made it too skinny in this one.
This is our fifth prototype design. In this, we added 2 flaps, but then realized how will the flaps move. We also realized that the flaps can be improved. We also added plastic so that the user won't be able to use the phone.
Here, in our sixth prototype design, we added servo motors to each of the flaps. This allowed the flaps to move on their own. But we also realized that the 2 flaps are not even required.
This is our seventh prototype design. In this prototype design, we have only one servo motor. This reduces the weight, and thus we only have 1 flap. There should be a bar at the top so the phone won't come out easily. We rectified this by having only 1 flap at the top. The positioning of the servo motor was also known to be bad.
This is our 8th prototype design. In this, we added an ultrasonic sensor which senses the key in ignition. We also realized that we needed to add something to attach it to the dashboard.
Here is our 9th prototype design. In this design, we modernized the whole prototype and we also added a dashboard extension. Here, we also realized that the flap was misplaced.
This is the 10th all-in-one prototype design. In this one, we concluded that it looks too cramped and that there needs to be a way for the user to be logged.
This is our 11th prototype design. In this design, we added 2 breathalyzers, which was a big mistake.
Here is our 12th prototype design. In this design, we realized that the breathalyzer needed to be extended because we could barely see it. And if we could barely see it, then how could the driver even blow on it?
This is our 13th prototype design. In this prototype design, we extended the breathalyzer and found a method for it. It was called the male to female extension for the breathalyzer.
This is our 14th prototype design. In this design, we realized that we didn't add the SD card.
Here is our 15th prototype design. In this design, we added glass, and we also added the SD card, which was missing before.
This is the perfect design. In this design, we laid out everything properly. Here is the keyhole for the ultrasonic sensor, which is leading to the main device itself.
In the main device, as you can see, we added the flap and plastic glass covering. The servo motors on the side powering the flap.
We also added a breathalyzer up here, and we also added the extension that was needed. This here is the perfect design.
And we added an SD card in the proper place and the alarm system.